तो आज पापा सर और हम लोग मिलके देखेंगे पुराने नए मोटरसाइकिल कमर्शियल्स, राइट? और उनके ऊपर रिएक्ट करेंगे, रिव्यू करेंगे उनको साथ में मिलके।
Okay.
We're gonna check out the Hrithik Roshan Hero Honda Charisma ad now. Let's watch. Okay. A Western setting I can see. US Western setting kind of. अरे ये कौन आ गया? अरे ये गंदा कर दिया। प्रीमियम स्पोर्ट्स। अरे रे गंदा करके भाग गए। चपरी दे साले। अरे चपरी को पकड़ने जा रही है। मैम that's like the current scene of motor vlogging. What kind of chapri is this? I think this is what chapris are actually going to evolve into. Damn!
Presenting the striking new Charisma. Always
At that time, this bike was the super bike of India. The ZX10R of that time for India is a FZ, I think 2012 ad. Dude, this is from 2012? This guy looks the same today also. John Abraham. These actors, they don't grow old or what? Especially these male actors. Anil Kapoor को भी ले लिए. अरे गजब. Oh my god, a mutant. He can control time. Can travel time. He's a time traveler. Ooh, the FZV1. Oh, the color change, huh? New stylish. This is a very generic ad. Nothing's happening. Okay, traffic. Wow! Man can control time and matter. Or is it the bike that giving him the power? How to control time and matter? God damn. Oh no. Off-road. Oh shit, dude. Full on off-roading. On FC. Huh? He got that. Oh.
FC, Lord of the Streets.
दीदी का डस्टर गिर गया था. He went to return. God damn, what a nice guy. This was one more ad by FZ. 1 साल पुराना है उनसे. I think that is John Abraham only. अरे गजब. Oh, it's like the TikTok reels and all. जहाँ पे ये बाइक ऑटोमेटिकली भागती है उनके पीछे, क्योंकि वो बाइक उनसे रूठ जाती है क्योंकि उसको चलाया नहीं है 2 हफ्ते से. अरे गुस्से में है FC. घोड़ा, जंगली घोड़ा FC. That was a good video, dude. Man, why we don't have such cool ass ads these days? अभी मैं आपको आजकल के ads दिखाऊंगा ना. For example, जो TVS का ad आया था, that is so pathetic. Scanning. Oh भाई साहब. You don't choose the bike. The bike chooses you. I love it. Even though it's John Abraham only.
Yamaha FC, Lord of the Streets.
Lord of the Street. Oh my god. The confidence in the bike. I love it, Yamaha. Man, Yamaha was doing some good marketing that time. What the f Yamaha is doing now? Check out these days ad. Okay, I'll show you the ad of Apache 310 ad. See, the quality now is really good. But there's no creativity. Same doing stunt, and then Gen Z kids are coming and then whoa, let's go, and then dancing on the side and doing spray paint and shit. So boring. We need more of these Tarzan ads, dude. Tarzan. So अभी हम लोगों ने देखा था TVS का current generation का ad. Let's watch their first generation ad. Okay, Apache.
Newton's first law.
अच्छा. Whoa, what a transition, dude. Whoa, Newton's first law. Love it. Oh, gajab.
All objects continue to move at a steady speed.
Okay.
Unless acted upon by an external force.
And the external factor is the woman, the grill.
औरत का चक्कर बाबू भैया, औरत का चक्कर.
Oh,
The second law
Matrix
says
stuff and all.
that and the greater the force, the greater the acceleration.
Oh, Papa of the girl was a force.
For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction.
Oh.
What's your excuse?
Attending practicals.
Attending practicals.
RTR1.
Leo lamp. What? What lamps? LED lamps. Okay. Leo. The quality is so bad that I can't even read.
15.
Adjustable clip-ons. Oof.
It's now or never.
It's now or never. Oh, that was a nice tagline. It's now and never. Any day better than current gen high quality Apache ad. Personally, that's what I feel. Oh, now I remember this ad.
Wow, Suzuki Samurai.
The quality is so bad.
यो भाई No problem.
What about the power?
What?
No problem.
Yeah? And mileage? Good, huh?
No problem.
Oh. Kinetic small, test ride? Yeah?
No problem.
Small something. Okay. No. Why?
Hey, thanks.
Yeah, what? No, my bike! Who's that guy? Who took my bike?
First of all, why did he keep the key in the bike, man? Or the bike is keyless ignition. God damn, samurai key with keyless ignition.
Who's that guy? Suzuki Samurai. No problem.
Suzuki Samurai.
पक्का इसको नॉर्थ ईस्ट से पकड़ के लाए थे. I'm not being racist. I'm telling you the possibilities here. But this guy's acting is too good. This guy.
Who's that guy? Who took my bike? Suzuki Samurai. No problem.
See, these kinds of ad we need. What kind of bullshit ad these days we get? So boring. The only thing they do is take some cinematic shots, stunt करते हुए यहाँ पे ट्रैक पे और उसी को काट पीट के उसमें म्यूजिक डाल के फिर एक टैगलाइन डाल के अपलोड कर देता है. So freaking boring. It's called advertisement of Bajaj discovered DTSI. Jackie Chan in it. Damn. Okay. Did he really speak Chinese? I hopefully or they just made up shit. What a poster of what? Pamela Anderson, yes. At that time. It should be at least Yamaha R1. Oh, it's Jackie Chan. Damn. Just imagine we had that kind of budget at that time when Johnny Depp was at the peak of his career.
भारी मिस्टेक हो गया सर.
To hire him for an ad. Bajaj. Wow. Look like in the look of a Bajaj Discover it in. Oh. Some Shaolin moves. Some Kung Fu on Discover. Damn aerodynamics and all. Chopri Chan. I'm just kidding. But now he's distracted. Oof. आजकल के लॉन्डे इतनी हरकत जरूर करेंगे फॉर मियां खलीफा पोस्टर पक्का. It's called Pulsar Nurse Commercial. And the video quality is so bad. Sorry guys. Can't help it. Damn. Like a blob of nurse walking towards me. हाँ ये कौन सा बच्चा है? अरे?
It's a boy!
This ad in current generation is not gonna go well. I don't think so. It's a boy. Oof, the first gen Bajaj Pulsar. The old logo.
ATCC 15 BHP.
I think Bajaj should bring back the old Bajaj logo. Maybe a limited edition motorcycle, a retro motorcycle with their old retro logo.
Muscular styling. Bajaj Pulsar.
Muscular styling. भाई वो टैंक से कितने लोगों को गलत जगह चोटें लगी है ना because of this bump that you see. Man has become woman because of that tank. Oh Lord.
Definitely male.
Definitely male. Okay, Bajaj. You need to control yourself. Duk. The iconic Duk. That what sold this motorcycle also. That Duk. Oh my god, it's like a blob. What kind of quality is this? What is this quality? 240p. Good, can't even see the bullet. God, what year is this? 1980. But the soundtrack, dude. It's ultimate soundtrack. Woo! Shit, this song should make a comeback. This is the iconic song. Even though we can't see shit, the music is too good. Oh yeah, there's a new version. Oh, I didn't know that. Oh. Okay. Bullet Meri Jaan. New version. Damn, these guys are crazy, these artisans. Woo! The duck. Samples I've used. New gen duck. Man, Royal Enfield knows how to make videos, man. I think Royal Enfield is the only current gen motorcycle brand in India which is actually making really well made motorcycle ads. No idea how much money they put in the R&D कि nut bolt उनके उड़ रहे हैं, but the money they put in the marketing ना, hats off man. But for the music part, I still like the old one. Maybe because I am freaking old. Papa is 69-year-old. But the samples they use are Duck Duck Nice, damn cool. So okay, next video we're gonna watch is called Chal Meri Luna, one of the most iconic ads. At least we can
ये है
see something.
मिस्टर राम मुरारी, अफसर हैं ये एक सरकारी। देर देर तक काम ये करते, फिर घर जाने से थे डरते। उनको सूझा एक उपाय, अगले दिन एक लूना लाए।
Whoa.
चल मेरी लूना।
Woo!
लूना करती पक्का वादा,
Whoa! Check out the music.
मजबूती ज्यादा।
Damn, that is true. Mazbuti is next level. Also, Kharcha is also next level. Kam Kharcha is next level.
दुख पाना है तुमको दूना, शान से बोलो चल मेरी लूना।
But reaches always late. At that speed, he's not gonna reach on time.
सफलता की सवारी लूना।
Check out the screen hold. The pillion is wearing the helmet at that time. They showcase such good things. Pillion is wearing helmet. Rider's wearing helmet. But what about the kid in middle and what about the tripling part? Regulations came much later maybe. But helmet part मेरे को समझ में आया. जब तुम पहने हो, तुम्हारी बीबी पहनी है, बच्चा क्यों? क्योंकि तुम और बच्चे बना सकते हो. बच्चा पैदा करना is much more cheaper than buying helmet at that time, I guess.
सुख पाना है तुमको दूना, शान से बोलो
चल मेरी लूना. Oh shit, let's go.
सफलता की सवारी लूना।
Oh god damn, this is such a good ad, dude. Such a good ad. This is one of my favorite ads. It's the CD100 Hero Honda. Salman Khan.
I'm Bunty. I'm Sunny. I have
Bunty, buddy.
I have the most efficient bike in town. I ride it. I pride
Oof.
it. The finest bike you ever saw.
That was a good music.
It doesn't seem to lose much weight.
Dude, what happened to the bike? Why it was making such rattling noises?
It doesn't seem to lose much weight. Hero Honda.
Full in English and all. Man, this ad is not very creative, but the music part is really good.
Hero Honda.
Woo!
What a bike.
What a bike! Lovely, lovely ads, man. Bro, Salman Khan took that TB to the footpath. How is it? Called Hudi Baba. Bajaj Caliber 115. Man, the video quality is gonna be shit. Oh god, what is this? 144p? It is 144p. But this also, this music was too good. I think that Hudi Baba music will work for Expulse, man. Off-road, especially Expulse Pro.
Top speed 100 kilometers per hour.
Man, I can't see shit. What kind of quality is this?
90 kilometers per liter.
90 km per liter. Huh? Damn. पूरा साल चल जाए मेरा तो. Oh, this also was iconic music. Hudi Baba. Damn cool. Damn cool. Okay, let's see. Splendor Pro. This is okay. Hero. Powerful. Okay. These musics are so generic and so boring, man. Blah. His new gen ones. I hope she's his sister, man. I'm not enjoying this ad. Nothing special about this ad. Maybe we need to find a better ad. It's called the Hero Honda Splendor Plus commercial. Okay.
गुलाबो जलन जलाल
His senses.
तू कहाँ
Oh,
से आया?
गेंदा.
नई मोटरसाइकिल?
Damn, he's a daredevil.
अरे तूने स्प्लेंडर छोड़ दी?
Oh, electric start. Self start.
इसके लिए स्प्लेंडर छोड़ दी? पावरफुल तो है, पर स्प्लेंडर?
125cc क्वांटम कोर इंजन
Oof.
और माइलेज भी ज्यादा
नालायक, स्प्लेंडर का भरोसा कहाँ मिलेगा?
मिलेगा डैड, क्योंकि ये है नई सुपर स्प्लेंडर और डैड दिखने में भी सुपर है।
Oh,
अच्छा,
the looks. 5 spark plug for the looks.
डैड
Oh,
डैड नहीं, सुपर डैड। चलो, अब सुपर स्प्लेंडर पे घुमाओ। न्यू।
it was a nice, wholesome ad. I love it. I like it.
Not seen stuff like this.
Hey, 1 minute. Why did I hear 4 inline sound coming from a bloody single cylinder motorcycle?
I've not seen stuff like this.
See? What? Backfiring also, bhaff and all. After watching this, a lot of kids got inspired to do stunts and all, what I've noticed at that time. What is the exhaust note? Full drifting and all. But the music was good, yeah. I like the music.
The revolutionary new Pulsar 200 NS. With the world's first 4-valve triple spark
World's first 4-valve triple spark.
TSI engine.
Okay. If
Pulsar,
you say so.
India's #1 sports bike.
India's #1 sports bike. Sports bike. I'll say that was a bold statement. I think R15 should be called the India's #1 sports bike at that time.
Round and round, the wheels on the bike go round and round, all through the town.